Dear friend, welcome to the lecture series in electromagnetic fields and waves. Today's topic is wave propagation characteristics of good conductors. In this video lecture, we will be able to derive the expressions for alpha, beta, eta, Vp, and also we will be looking at a numerical problem based on the formulas. Coming to the derivation of the wave propagation characteristics of good conductors, let us start with the attenuation and phase shift constants. Consider a wave propagating in a good conducting medium. For good conductors, the conductivity sigma is very high compared to omega epsilon. That is, sigma is very greater than omega epsilon. The expression for the propagation constant is given by gamma equals to square root of j omega mu of sigma plus j omega epsilon. As we know that sigma is very greater than omega epsilon, so that we can write gamma equals to square root of j omega mu sigma here. Now writing square root of omega mu sigma and root j, we will be writing angle 45 degrees. Here square root of omega mu sigma and writing the angle 45 as 1 by over root 2 plus j 1 over root 2, we get gamma equals to square root of omega mu sigma over 2 plus j square root of omega mu sigma over 2. Already we know that propagation constant gamma is equals to alpha plus j beta, which is equivalent to square root of omega mu sigma over 2 plus j square root of omega mu sigma over 2. By comparing, we get alpha equals to square root of omega mu sigma over 2 and beta equals to square root of omega mu sigma over 2. Coming to the derivation of intrinsic impedance for good conductors, we know that the intrinsic impedance for a conducting medium is given by eta equals to square root of j omega mu over sigma plus j omega epsilon, and for good conductors we know sigma is very greater than of omega epsilon. Then writing eta equals to square root of j omega mu over sigma and writing the expression as eta equals to square root of omega mu over sigma and square root of j we are writing as angle 45 degrees, and the eta is expressed in ohms. Coming to phase velocity, the phase velocity is given by Vp equals to omega over beta, and substituting the expression for beta in this expression we get Vp equals to square root of 2 omega over mu sigma. Coming to a numerical problem, determine the phase velocity of propagation, attenuation constant, phase constant, and intrinsic impedance for a forward traveling wave in a large block of copper at 1 megahertz. Epsilon r equals to 1, mu r equals to 1, and sigma equals to 5.8 into 10 power 7 Siemens per meter. Let us go for the solution. First, write the given data. The given data contains f equals to 1 megahertz, which can be written as 1 into 10 power 6 hertz, epsilon r equals to 1, mu r equals to 1, sigma equals to 5.8 into 10 power 7 Siemens per meter. To be found are the phase velocity Vp, alpha attenuation constant, beta phase constant, eta characteristic impedance. Formulas to be used. By looking at the given data and the parameters to be found, we can use the proper formulas in the calculation. First, we calculate omega epsilon to check the type of medium or material, so that it will facilitate us to use proper formula. So first calculate omega epsilon, which is equals to 2 pi f into epsilon naught epsilon r, and substituting the values, then we get 17.708 pi into 10 power minus 6. So from the above computation, we conclude that sigma is very greater than omega epsilon, So the material is good conductor. So here we have to write the formulas for the good conductor. So Vp equals to omega by beta, which is equals to square root of 2 omega over mu sigma meter per second, and alpha equals to square root of omega mu sigma over 2 Napier per meter, and beta equals to square root of omega mu sigma over 2 radians per meter, and eta equals to square root of omega mu over sigma angle 45 degrees in ohm. Coming to the calculation, P equals to omega by beta, which is equivalent to square root of 2 omega over mu sigma. Then substituting the values for omega and mu and sigma, we get Vp equals to 415.55 meter per second. And coming to alpha, it is given by square root of omega mu sigma over 2. Substituting the values for omega mu sigma, then we get the alpha value as 15,132 Napier per meter. As we know that for good conductors, the alpha and beta both are same. So already we obtained the value for alpha, so that the same value will be assigned to the beta. So alpha equals to beta equals to square root of omega mu sigma over 2, so that it value also becomes 15,132 radians per meter. Coming to eta, eta equals to square root of omega mu over sigma angle 45 degrees. Then substituting the values for omega, mu and sigma in the expression of eta, so that we obtain 3.68 into 10 power minus 4 angle 45 degrees omega. So eta finally obtained as 3.68 into 10 power minus 4 angle 45 in ohms. Finally, writing the result, Vp equals to 415.55 meter per second, alpha equals to 15,132 Napier per meter, beta equals to 15,132 radians per meter, and eta equals to 3.68 into 10 power minus 4 angle 45 in ohm. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, so that you will be notified with the latest notifications related to the video lectures in electromagnetic fields and waves series.